How to message on TikTok if you're under 16. So if you want to message on TikTok if you're under 16, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, now you need to open up your TikTok. After opening, now you need to go with the profile which is on the bottom right. From your profile, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines, or you can also go with edit profile from your profile. Under edit profile, here you will have date of birth option. You can change your date of birth. If you don't find, then you can again go with the three dots, which is on the top right, or the three bar, and then go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to go with the account information. Tap on account and then tap on account information, and here you will have your date of birth. So you just need to simply go and change your date of birth. But if you're not being able to change your date of birth, then there's no other option, because TikTok won't allow you to change the date of birth once you've set your date of birth. So in order to message on TikTok if you're under 16, then you can create another account. Or you can also go and report the TikTok that you've accidentally created your account with underage, and you're not underage. You need to provide some details or some proof, identity proof, that you're above the age of 16. And after uploading the documents, your problem might be fixed and you'll be able to message on TikTok. So to report the problem, you can go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and tap on report a problem right here, and then you'll be able to report a problem. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.